and welcome to our video on the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make it a popular ingredient in many health and beauty products. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of aloe vera and how it can improve your overall well-being. Soothes sunburn and skin irritation. Aloe vera is well known for its ability to soothe sunburn and other skin irritations. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and swelling, and its moisturizing properties can prevent skin peeling. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to the affected area to relieve pain and discomfort. Moisturizes skin. Aloe vera is an excellent natural moisturizer. Its gel-like substance can penetrate the skin quickly and provide hydration. Aloe vera also contains vitamins and minerals that help improve the overall health of the skin. You can use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer or add it to your skincare routine. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can promote hair growth. It can also help prevent dandruff and other scalp conditions due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties. You can use aloe vera gel as a hair mask or add it to your shampoo or conditioner. Aids digestion. Aloe vera can improve digestion and reduce inflammation in the gut. Its gel-like substance contains enzymes that help break down food, reducing the risk of indigestion and bloating. Aloe vera can also help regulate bowel movements and improve overall gut health. Boost immunity. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that can help boost the immune system. Its antimicrobial properties can also help fight off infections. Regular consumption of aloe vera can help improve overall health and reduce the risk of infections. Lowers blood sugar levels. Aloe vera can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a useful natural remedy for managing diabetes. It contains compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before using aloe vera as a diabetes treatment. Aloe vera is a versatile natural remedy with numerous health benefits. It can soothe sunburn, moisturize the skin, promote hair growth, aid digestion, boost immunity, and lower blood sugar levels. It's important to note that aloe vera should be used in moderation, and it is always recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating any new remedies or supplements into your routine. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.